dedication and ethical practice earned him the esteemed Haricharan Mukherjee Memorial Award, recognizing his outstanding contributions to the legal profession and his unwavering commitment to justice. Elevated to the bench as a judge of Odisha High Court in June 2013, Honorable Dr. Justice Sarangi brought with him a wealth of experience and impeccable legal acumen. Over his distinguished tenure, spanning more than a decade, he decided over 153,000 cases encompassing both civil and criminal matters. His judicial decisions were marked by meticulousness, fairness, and a deep understanding of the law, addressing complex legal issues and significantly shaping jurisprudence in the state. Even here at the High Court of Jharkhand, in only 10 court working days, His Lordships has decided as much as about more than 400 cases sitting in division bench and 6 cases sitting in single bench, which itself suggests the swiftness, setting a benchmark for us. In October 2023, Justice Sarangi assumed the pivotal role of acting Chief Justice of the Odisha High Court, where his leadership and administrative prowess were instrumental in spearheading judicial reforms and enhancing the efficiency of the judiciary. Under his stewardship, initiatives were undertaken to improve infrastructure, streamline court proceedings, and ensure timely dispensation of justice, reflecting his steadfast commitment to uphold the rule of law and judicial integrity. During his tenure in Odisha High Court as a judge and the acting Chief Justice, His Lordship has headed numerous committees. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Dr. Justice B.R. Sarangi, numerous infrastructure projects have been realized, enhancing the operational efficiency and accessibility of the High Court of Odisha. On October 18, 2023, Lordship inaugurated the refurbished High Court dispensary, ensuring that our judicial staff receives optimal healthcare services. Subsequently, on November 6th, the Office of Odisha High Court Employees Association was inaugurated, fostering a supportive environment for our dedicated workforce. I beseech to recall one of the most valuable achievements during His Lordship's leadership through the chairmanship of the Building Committee of Odisha High Court, that the land measuring 5 acres were allocated to several district courts for their infrastructural need and 3 acres for peripheral courts in several subdivisions from the end of the state government, and the buildings are being constructed to cater the judicial need of the litigants. The commitment to holistic welfare extended to community engagement initiatives such as the blood donation camp on November 9th, underscoring the collective responsibility towards societal well-being. Moreover, on November 14, 2023, Lordship dedicated a recreation center for former Chief Justices and judges of the High Court, recognizing their invaluable contributions to the judiciary. In the realm of information and communication technology, Justice Sarangi championed groundbreaking initiatives to modernize judicial proceedings. Notably, on October 19, 2023, His Lordship inaugurated virtual courts across 10 judgeships, leveraging technology to enhance accessibility and efficiency in judicial processes. This milestone was followed by the inauguration of 40 paperless courts on October 31, 2023, and subsequent phases, culminating in a total of 80 paperless courts by January 22, 2024. These initiatives underscore Justice Sarangi's commitment to integrating technology for streamlined and transparent judicial operations. Transitioning to the Chief Justice of High Court of Jharkhand, Honorable Dr. Justice Sarangi continued to exemplify judicial excellence and administrative dynamism. His tenure may be characterized by pioneering initiatives aimed at democratizing access to justice, such as the establishment of Gram Nyayalaya at Baharagoda, in the district of East Singhbhum at Jamshedpur, and at Mandar in the district of Ranchi, the inauguration of Sub-Divisional Court at Chakradarpur on 14/7/2024, the inauguration of Sub-Divisional Legal Services Committee at Nagaruntari in Gadwa district on 13/7/2024, to bring justice closer to rural communities. Furthermore, his advocacy for the digitization of judicial records aimed at enhancing transparency and efficiency within the judiciary underscored his vision for a modern and accessible legal system. My efforts in commemorating the contributions of His Lordship will not meet its end until I mention the momentous occasion of most revolutionary and remarkable achievement of the Jharkhand judiciary, and they state that due to my Lord's sincere efforts for preserving the old High Court building has been inaugurated and dedicated as Heritage Building of High Court of Jharkhand on 18/7/2024. And on the same very day, later day, the inauguration of Museum Justice along with Arbitration Center and Mediation Center of High Court of Jharkhand has been done. Beyond his judicial responsibilities, His Lordship remained deeply engaged in the philanthropic endeavors and educational initiatives. He served on various advisory boards and committees aimed at promoting institutional development and advancing legal scholarship. His commitment to social welfare and legal education reflected his broader vision for a just and equitable society, leaving a lasting impact on the community and future generation. As Honorable Dr. Justice Vidyutarajan Sarangi embarks on the next chapter of his journey, Lordship's contribution to the judiciary and society at large will be remembered with deep respect and admiration. His unwavering commitment to justice, fairness and judicial integrity has left an indelible mark on our legal system. Lordship's career exemplifies the transformative power of judicial leadership and underscores the enduring legacy of those dedicated to upholding the principles of justice and the rule of law. As we celebrate his remarkable journey, we acknowledge his profound impact and extend our heartfelt gratitude for Lordship's exemplary service to the judiciary and to the High Court of Jharkhand in particular. Thank you.
Now I request Mrs. Ritu Kumar, President Advocate Association, to commence his address.
My Lords, Honorable the Chief Justice Dr. Bidyut Ranjan Sarangi and other companion Honorable Judges of the Jharkhand High Court, Learned Advocate General, Standing Councils, State of Jharkhand, Learned Chairman, Jharkhand State Bar Council, Deputy Solicitor General, Central Government, Learned Senior Advocates, Registrar General and the members of the Registry, Learned members of the Advocates Association and all present here. Honorable the Chief Justice Dr. Bidyut Ranjan Sarangi was born on 20th July 1962 in village Pantikhari, Sasan near Odagaon, the second Shikhayatra Raghunath Jew temple in the district of Nayagarh in a respectable Sarangi family as the youngest son of late Banchanidhi Sarangi, ex-financial advisor belonging to senior class 1 officer of Orissa Finance Service Cadre of State of Orissa, and late Selbala Sarangi, a doting homemaker. Dr. Justice Sarangi passed HSC examination and studied in commerce with honors from BJP College, Bhubaneswar. He did his LLB and LLM from MS Law College, Cuttack, under Utkal University, Vani Vihar, Bhubaneswar. He was awarded PhD in law from Sambalpur University, recipients of various prizes and awards for academic achievements. He joined the bar in December 1985, having regular practice in the High Court of Orissa, Cuttack, and Supreme Court of India, New Delhi, and also a life member of Orissa High Court Bar Association, Civil Court Bar Association, Criminal Court Bar Association, and Central Tribunal Bar Association. He has conducted cases especially in civil, criminal, constitutional, revenue, tax, labor, service, mining, educational, electricity, insurance, banking, telephone, and elections. He was an advocate first and last who fought all cases, big or small, with equal zeal and vigor. In course of his meteoric professional career, he occupied an unique position, endowed with integrity, honesty, sincerity, ability, hardworking, prompt, and meticulous reading, with a powerful mind, deep thinking, and clear expression, coupled with an understanding of human nature. He lost no time in building a solid legal practice. For outstanding performance and high standard of his professional ethics as a lawyer, conferred the Haricharan Mukherjee Memorial Award with gold medal for the year 2002 from the then Honorable Justice P.K. Balasubramaniam, Chief Justice of Orissa High Court. He completed a long 27 years of practice at the bar. He was elevated to the bench and sworn in as a permanent judge of Orissa High Court on June 20th, 2013. His Lordship was appointed as the Chief Justice of High Court of Jharkhand on 3/7/2024 and took oath on 5/7/2004. Though he has been with us for a very short time, but he has become a part of us. His guidance and support will be cherished by each member of the bar. As we say goodbye to him and his journey as Chief Justice of Jharkhand High Court, we celebrate his accomplishment and his services to the legal fraternity. We will never forget the effort he took for retaining the old High Court building for us. Thank for your service, your wisdom, your unwavering commitment to justice.
Now I request Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, the Lead Advocate General, commence his address.
My Lords, the Chief Justice, Jharkhand High Court, Honorable Justice Dr. Vidyut Ranjan Sarangi, and my Lords, other companion judges of the Honorable High Court, Jharkhand, Chairman, Jharkhand State Bar Council, Deputy Solicitor General of India, President, Advocate Association, learned senior advocates, and all the members of the bar, law officers of the state of Jharkhand, additional public prosecutors, special public prosecutors, and learned Registrar General, and all the members of the registry. Today, as we gather to bid farewell to Honorable the Chief Justice Dr. Vidyut Ranjan Sarangi, it is with deep respect and appreciation that we reflect on his profound impact on the judicial machinery of Jharkhand in a very short span of time. As the Advocate General of this state, it is both an honor and privilege for me to speak on behalf of the entire legal fraternity and extend our heartfelt appreciation for his remarkable tenure. One of the most commendable initiatives under the Honorable Chief Justice Sarangi's leadership has been the issuance of a standing order aimed at ensuring the prompt listing and hearing of cases. This initiative represents a monumental step forward in addressing the long-standing issue of case backlog within our courts. By prioritizing timely adjudication, Chief Justice Sarangi has not only expedited the delivery of justice, but has also laid the groundwork for reducing the accumulation of pending cases that burden our judicial system. Honorable Chief Justice Sarangi's emphasis on punctuality and regularity in court proceedings has been particularly noteworthy. His dedication to ensuring that courts are held promptly and consistently has not only expedited the delivery of justice, but has also instilled a sense of discipline and respect for time within our legal community. Beyond his administrative acumen, Honorable the Chief Justice Sarangi has demonstrated an unwavering commitment to upholding the principles of justice and equity. His judgments have reflected a deep understanding of the complexities of the law, coupled with a compassionate approach to the issues brought before the bench. As we bid farewell to Honorable Chief Justice Sarangi, we do so with profound gratitude for his exemplary service, visionary leadership, and steadfast commitment to advancing the cause of justice. On behalf of the entire legal fraternity and the people of Jharkhand, I extend our heartfelt thanks to Chief Justice Sarangi for his transformative contributions. His legacy will endure as a testament to his dedication to the principles of fairness, equity, and the rule of law. As Chief Justice Sarangi embarks on a new chapter in his journey, we wish him continued success, fulfillment, and prosperity in all his future endeavors. And let me, on my personal note, tell my lords that he will be our Chief Justice, maybe for a very short time, but he will be our Chief Justice forever. Thank you.
Now I request Mr. Rajendra Krishna, Chairman, Jharkhand State Bar Council, to commence his address.
Honorable Dr. Justice Vidyut Ranjan Sarangi, the Chief Justice of Jharkhand High Court, Honorable Companion Judges of the Jharkhand High Court, learned Advocate General of the State of Jharkhand, learned all the Honorable distinguished guests present here, Honorable members of the Jharkhand State Bar Council sitting in this August gathering, Honorable Mr. Prashant Kumar Singh, the Member Bar Council of India, learned Presidents of the Advocate Association, learned Additional Solicitor General of India, learned Deputy Solicitor General of India, all the senior advocates present, all my fellow members of the bar, and all the advocates watching this great occasion through YouTube, learned Registrar General, members of the registry, and the court staffs. Today, we gather to honor a remarkable journey, a journey marked by dedication, integrity, and unwavering commitment to justice. As we bid farewell to Dr. Justice Vidyut Ranjan Sarangi, we reflect on his exceptional contributions to the legal fraternity and to our nation. Dr. Sarangi's illustrious career began in the year 1985 when he joined the bar. His tenacity and passion for a law were evident from the start as he practiced diligently in the High Court of Odisha and the Supreme Court of India. Over 27 years, he built a reputation as a formidable advocate, representing a wide array of clients, from private parties to government undertakings in various fields of law. His versatility and zeal were unparalleled as he approached every case, big or small.
लाइक एंड शेयर वीडियोस, सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा चैनल और प्रेस करें बेल आइकॉन। न्यूज़ 11 भारत, सच है तो दिखेगा।